The Cuisinart C55CNS-6PCS Advantage Color Collection 6-piece nonstick cutlery set is a colorful and practical set of knives, designed for everyday use in the kitchen. The set includes 6 knives with nonstick coated blades and color-coded handles to help you quickly identify the knife you need. About this product. Set includes 8-inch chef knife, 6.5 serrated utility knife, 3.5 paring knife. High-quality stainless steel blades. Non-stick coating for easy slicing. Color coding reduces the risk of cross-contamination during food preparation. Lifetime warranty. The knives in the set are made from high-quality stainless steel and feature a non-stick coating that helps prevent food from sticking to the blade, making them easy to clean. The set includes a chef's knife, a slicing knife, a bread knife, a utility knife, a paring knife, and a protective blade guard for each knife. The ergonomic handles are designed for a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. The color-coded handles help to prevent cross-contamination by allowing you to easily identify which knife is used for which type of food. The Cuisinart C55CNS-6PCS Advantage Color Collection 6-piece nonstick cutlery set is a set of 6 knives with nonstick color-coded blades. The set includes a chef's knife, bread knife, slicing knife, utility knife, paring knife, and a matching blade guard for each knife. The knives in this set are made with high-quality stainless steel blades that are coated with a non-stick color coating, which helps prevent food from sticking to the blade while you're cutting. The color coating also adds a pop of color to your kitchen, making it a fun and vibrant addition to your culinary arsenal. The handles of these knives are made with a comfortable grip design that provides a secure and ergonomic grip, even when your hands are wet. The handles also feature a color-coded design that matches the color of the blade coating, making it easy to quickly identify the knife you need. In summary, the Cuisinart C55CNS-6PCS Advantage Color Collection 6-piece nonstick cutlery set is a colorful and practical set of knives that are perfect for everyday use in the kitchen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please click the subscribe button, bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the products. Links.